Good day, Mr. Faisal. Today we'll be presenting about our stand-up meeting 1 for Group 32 data visualization. Next slide. So, who are we? My name is Harinal Singh Tandi. My group member is Joshua Fernandez and Mr. Swan. So, firstly, we'll be talking about our vision. So, our main vision is to create a project design book and website. We are a group of students ready to filter data and showcase the best analytic possible. Next. So I'll give you a bit of an introduction about us, and what we are going to do is our topic is to analyze police enforcement and traffic offence trends across Australia. We will be using BITRE road safety enforcement data for our analysis. So our target audience are students and researchers, general public and policy makers. This for students and researchers, this is because the study trends demographic correlations and police enforcement. For the general public, it is to understand the mechanisms of how enforcement occurs, and for policy makers is to understand the current effectiveness of laws and punishment. Our expertise includes degree in cybersecurity, degree in networking, and degree in software engineering. So now I'll be handing the mic over to Mr. Swan to explain further about our group.
So now I'm going to explain about the visualization purpose. So our main goal is to analyze and visualize police enforcement data from fines, alcohol, and drug test records to understand overall enforcement trends in Malaysia, which we also already get from the data sets, and to identify the key patterns in offenses, offensive detection methods, and test outcomes. We try to provide insights into enforcement effectiveness and public safety improvement. And the key question is that how have traffic fines, alcohol, and drug offenses changed over time, and which detection methods, example like red tags, roadblocks, or speed cameras, are most effective in identifying offenses, and what is the relationship between fines, arrests, and positive tax results? Which offense types or regions contribute the most to the total penalties? And the last one is, are there any noticeable trends in substance-related offenses compared to general traffic violations? So, based on the visualization purpose we get, these are the currently the data sets. We actually take all those data sets from BITRE, which is a Burden View of Infrastructure and Transport Research Economics, and the data sets we are using are Department of Infrastructure, Transport, Regional Development, Communications, and the Arts website. So these are the data sets that we have used. We have 5 data sets: the alcohol drug test, the positive drug test, and the positive blood test. Now I'm going to pass over the mic to Joshua.
All right. Hi, Mr. Faisal. For my part, we'll be talking more about the data processing that we have conducted. So we have got 4 data sets, and as you can see, for our current progress, we have already cleaned and processed one of the data sets, which is the police enforcement fines. So this is our process that we will be doing, that we have done for this data set, which includes grouping, removing missing values, some math formulas, and a few joiners as well. So moving on to our next slide, please. All right. As here you can see what the outcome of our process data will look like. So why we process the data is to achieve is to basically answer these 3 questions, which are: which offences receive the most fines, how fines for different offences, these different offence types change over time, and how much each detection method contributes to the total fines. These are the 3 main questions that we will be asking and answering in our first data set. The next slide, please. So previously we were talking about the work that has completed. However, we also faced some issues completing our completing our work. So the first issue that we came up was the data. The data is not up to date. Basically, the data set is from 2008 to until 2024. However, the Q1, Q2, and Q3 of 2025 is not included in the data set. So it's not giving a proper real-time depiction of what is actually happening at the moment. So, and the another hurdle and issue that we face is undownloadable data. In the whole data set, there isn't a driver license data in the downloadable data set. So what will be our next step in our project? So we will have three targets to meet, which is completing the data cleaning for all the four data sets. Website development, we will start working on our website already, and we will also begin our design book as well. I think that is all from us. Thank you very much and have a good day.